Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unbox and review a case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, or also known as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. So this is a brand we've seen before here at Tech Travel Geeks. It's called KWmobile. And they're a brand that have recently been doing very well on Amazon, at least in the UK. So I thought I'd check out this wooden case, which allegedly is real wood, from KWmobile. There's obviously a little bit of generic information here, nothing about the case itself on the packaging. But let's see what is actually in the box. So it's a bit of a lip here. I'm going to open that up. And we have a plastic tray, and on the inside of the plastic tray we have a little plastic bag, and inside the plastic bag, as well as the case, there is a little silica gel bag, which is always useful to leave in my camera bag, and a KWmobile microfiber cloth for keeping your phones clean. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to give my Samsung Galaxy S21 FE a bit of a wipe, and do the same on the back, just to make sure there's no smudges on there or there's no dust that will get in there. And then let's look at the case and how that fits on the smartphone. So I'm going to fit it in camera bump and buttons first, and then it just clips in really simply. And once it does, it's a nice snug fit. Right, let's focus on the back of the device. Obviously, my Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is the olive green color, and I think it fits in quite nicely with this dark wood case. Now, this wood panel is real. It is an actual wood panel. It feels lovely to hold. It's smooth wood. You're not going to get a splinter from rubbing your finger over it, but it's less slippery than a lot of glass, or more importantly, plastic cases we've seen here at Tech Travel Geeks. The rest of the case is TPU, or rubber to you and me. So on the left hand side, when you're looking at the screen, let me turn the screen on so you can see when looking at the screen, the left hand side, there's nothing to speak of, apart from very, very subtle lettering here that says KWmobile. So they've put their branding at the top here. On the right hand side, we have cutouts, or better, knobs for the buttons. So you've got your volume up and down, which are very, very subtly marked as plus and minus. Running your finger over, you can't really feel that, but it's there. It's a little visual cue. And then there's also the power button with the power symbol there. So let's have a look at how these buttons work. On-off works great. No issues there. I'm going to unlock the phone, and then we'll check the volume button. Sometimes the buttons can be a bit sticky, but not in this case. The case is solid, it's good. Now, what else do we have? On the same side, we have two little holes. These are for lanyard loops. So great to see this. This is a very useful feature if you use your phone with a wrist strap or a lanyard. That's an option this case has. The camera cutouts for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE are great. So they essentially lean into the bump on the back and use it. And then there's a cutout in the wood as well for that flashlight. So your flashlight is within the wooden casing, whereas the rest of the camera bump is in rubber. So good to see there. At the top, we just have one little cutout for the microphone in this case. Yes, the S21 FE just has a microphone there. And at the bottom we have a perfect cutout for the USB Type-C and speaker grill, so everything is where it should be. And overall, I have to say, it feels quite nice. It's not as rubbery as an all TPU case. It has that really pleasant woody back, and it feels nice to hold in the hand too. I have to say, ergonomically it feels good. So overall, I can say this is a nice case. This is one that I purchased on Amazon. What I'll do is leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this KWmobile case here. And if you do purchase from there, you will be supporting Tech Travel Geeks through an affiliate link. For now, thanks for watching. If you made it through this far into this quick unboxing and review of the wooden case by KWmobile for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, if you enjoyed this, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.